Okay, now formation of a rainbow. So you all must have observed or seen a rainbow. So a rainbow is seen always after rain is over, and it is seen always in the evening, and it is seen always in the east. Okay, so when sun is setting in the west and rain has just stopped or it's drizzling, you can see a rainbow in the east. Okay, now how this rainbow is formed? So when the rain has just stopped or it's drizzling, the raindrops are in the air, and the sunlight or the white light goes to the raindrops and reflects back from the raindrops and dispersing the white light. Dispersing means white light contains all the seven colors, so it disperses them, separates them. Okay, now all the drops are not at the same angle, they are at different angle. So different light reaches to us. It depends upon the angle. So it appears in an order because each color of light has a different wavelength. So we'll not go into so much detail. But because the drops are at a different angle and it reflects back at a different angle. All colors have also different angle. So they make a set of colors, Vibgyor, and it appears to be a rainbow. Okay, that's the process. Now there are conditions for a rainbow. I have already explained. There should be rain. After rain there is moisture in the air. So there should be moisture. And then the sun should be behind you. That means it appears always during the evening only. It's behind and it appears in the east. So these are the two conditions to form a rainbow. Okay, go through these topics. Okay, read them nicely, and I'll be sending you these exercises. Okay, I'll take picture and send a PDF of the exercises, and also the questions in your test will be from the exercises also, and also from between the chapters. Okay, I'll make some objective questions out of it. So read them nicely, read all the topics, go through it. Okay, and I'll make a simple question paper, all objective questions, 20 questions will be there. So get prepared for that.